Hey friends, it's your girl Nikki, aka Arctic Scythe. How are you guys doing? I am currently in Melbourne and I wanted to bring you guys along with me for a little day in my life moment. We arrived last night, so let me give you guys a quick little Airbnb tour. This is my bedroom and it comes with a little workspace which I love and has an amazing view of Melbourne CBD. This is the view during the nighttime. And let me show you guys what it looks like in the day. The atmosphere was honestly such a comfy vibe, and I love that in Melbourne they have big windows. It just makes the space so much brighter. And guys, look at this view. You can even see the mountains, which is absolutely insane. This Airbnb also comes with a pool and a jacuzzi, gym and sauna. Let's go check out some of Melbourne's best eats, as well as go stationery shop hopping. So let's go. Guys, it was so cold in Melbourne today. It has been sunny for the past couple days, so I did not bring my extra jacket and I was freezing and it was raining for a bit. It was not good weather, so that was unfortunate for today, but that's okay. Got to still check out a whole bunch of stores in Fitzroy and have Hectors Deli and find my new favorite sandwich there. To be honest, I didn't really see anything I really badly wanted to get from the stationery stores today, but I did already purchase a whole bunch of stuff from the Melbourne Furry Makers Market, and I am honestly content with that. I need to stop. I have an addiction. I need to just use it. I'm going to log into my remote job and maybe do some video editing as well so I can get this vlog out for you guys. Yeah, I'm thinking about you guys, okay? I was like, damn, I gotta record this content so we can hang out together in Melbourne. One of the reasons I picked this Airbnb was because it was advertised as a workcation. I am working my remote job from here, but I have had a photo on my Pinterest for my vision board for so long of having my gaming setup with a massive window with amazing views. Like, that is the dream for me, to be able to work from home in a job that really fulfills me and getting paid to create content. So let's just take this all in. This is sort of like a practice. Take this moment in, manifesting this as a permanent thing in my life in the future, and I hope that this inspires you guys to work on your dreams as well. You guys can do it! Hey guys, we're back home. I realized while I was editing this video that I didn't actually talk that much in this vlog, and I didn't even show you guys what I got from the Melbourne Furry Makers Market, so let's go through it right now, because what's a stationery shopping vlog without a haul? First up, I got these really cute prints. They're of giant cats in different settings. I got a bunch of V-Star stickers because, of course, this is the only market that's gonna have V-Stars merch. For those that don't know, V-Stars is my favorite anime and favorite TV show of all time. And I also got a whole bunch of stickers from this artist. So they had some really cool futuristic type vibes, which I love. That is my aesthetic. And also these ones were just so funny. I had to get them a grow your own furry boyfriend/girlfriend. And also shout out to my friend Laura who gave this to me, which is a Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps sticker from Zootopia 2, and the artist that actually sells them was there at the market, so that's why I'm including it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!